Three weather warnings issued for Wednesday as this strong cold front is expected to hit the Western Cape. So let's get into the forecast. Winds picking up, and you can expect prefrontal rain overnight into Wednesday over the coastal areas. And then later that morning, the strong cold front slamming the Western Cape with strong winds and disruptive rainfall in places. The South African Weather Service has issued a level 2 yellow warning, where localised flooding is at risk over the peninsula as well as Cape Town, parts of the Winelands and the Overberg. Our accumulated rainfall model is picking up more than 40 millimeters possible in 24 hours over the high-lying areas as well as the Winelands. Gale force northwesterly winds also expected over the coastal areas as that cold front makes landfall, and it's especially going to be a windy Wednesday afternoon over the NCR of South Africa, where runaway fires are at risk. A strong westerly wind spreading along the southern coastline on a Thursday, and then closer to the weekend, another low pressure system nearing South Africa and with a ridging high will result in a steep pressure gradient, where we are currently expecting gale force westerly winds to spread along the coast of South Africa, but we will give you another update closer to the weekend. For Wednesday, most of the rain falling over the Western Cape, only light rain possible over the coastal areas of the Northern and Southern Cape. Light showers in the forecast for the rest of the Cape provinces, and scattered to widespread showers expected to fall over the peninsula, part of the Winelands as well as the Overberg and Beaufort, with light snowfall likely over the mountainous areas. It's a cloudy, cold and rainy Wednesday for the Western Cape. Most of the showers confined to the coastal areas as well as the Winelands and over the mountainous areas. Good rain expected over the catchment areas with only a high of 16 degrees in Laingsburg. Temperatures just above 20 degrees along the southern coastline, becoming windy the afternoon over the interior of the Western and Eastern Cape, where runaway fires are at risk on Wednesday, reaching a high of 25 in Adelaide, 22 degrees in East London as well as Port St John's on Wednesday afternoon. Some high-level cloud expected to move over KwaZulu-Natal, but warming up nicely into the afternoon. Maximum temperatures expected in the mid-20s, upper 20s in Vryheid, and soaring to 32 degrees in Ulundi. And then moving to Mpumalanga, we are expecting things to also warm up the afternoon. A westerly wind blowing over the Highveld and soaring to 32 degrees in Skukuza. A mainly sunny day for Limpopo, with high-level cirrus cloud moving over the northern areas, heating up the afternoon with a high of 31 degrees in Phalaborwa and 30 in Hoedspruit. A warm northerly wind expected to blow in northwest, also warming up the afternoon. Runaway fires at risk with temperatures in the mid-20s. Gusting north-northwesterly winds will also be dangerous conditions for runaway fires on Wednesday in the Northern Cape, and then later becoming cloudy with isolated showers over the southwestern areas. A cold morning for the Free State, only 1 degree in Forestmith and Bloemfontein. Later the wind picking up with a high of 23 in Bethlehem. It's a mainly sunny and warm Wednesday afternoon for Gauteng, becoming windy with 25 in Pretoria. And then into Thursday, that cold front spreading more showers, cold weather over the southern parts of South Africa into the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, as well as overnight into Friday. Snow expected over the mountainous areas of the Eastern Cape. Most of the snow falling over Lesotho and southern Drakensberg. It's going to be cool to cold over the southern parts of the country. On Friday, that icy southwesterly wind also spreading over the southern and eastern parts of South Africa. It's going to be much colder in Gauteng, with only 16 degrees in Johannesburg. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.